welcome back to Style Trails. It's me Shreeja. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I have created 5 fusion looks for this Navratri and I hope you guys enjoy the video. For look 1, I am wearing this maroon jumpsuit which has like a cape style Georgette dupatta kind of a thing over it. If you don't have the exact same jumpsuit, you can always wear a dupatta jacket over any jumpsuit that you own. So to accessorize the whole look, I am wearing a bunch of silver bangles and a silver waist belt paired with a really heavy statement necklace which has mirror detailing to it. For look 2, I'm wearing this white anarkali, and if you are someone who likes to twirl around without wearing those heavy ghagras, this is the best option for you. So this anarkali has like a tassel detailing to it and it has like colorful motifs on the bottom. To accessorize the whole look, I'm wearing my DIY tassel earrings and DIY pom-pom bangles. For look 3, I am wearing this pink palazzo with a mint green off-shoulder top and a yellow dupatta. Like all of these colors are so bright and so beautiful. Also, you guys know that I'm obsessed with palazzos and I feel that it is a great alternative for a ghagra if you don't like wearing one. So to accessorize the look, I am wearing a bunch of gold bangles and my kundan set with it. For look 4, I have paired this tie-and-dye dhoti salwar with a tube top and a heavy embroidered dupatta. I've also added an embellished lace belt just to accentuate the whole look. For accessories, all of the things that I'm wearing are DIY, like the tassel earrings, the pom-pom bangles and the pom-pom chappals as well. Look 5 is more on the edgier side, so I've paired a black shirt with a knee-length embroidered skirt and I've tied the black shirt in the middle like so. To accessorize the whole look, I'm wearing a kundan choker with really delicate earrings and kundan bangles. I've paired the whole look with plain golden heels. You can always pair the look with plain gold flats since you are going to be dancing.